Hey viewers, welcome to the Best Tools Review channel on YouTube. To make this video, we analysed hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guides and check the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
In this video we're going to checking out 5 best HVLP spray gun you can buy right now. We made this list based on tools performance, features, price, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly reviews of actual user. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best HVLP spray gun in the market. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is HomeRight C800-766 HVLP paint sprayer. The HomeRight Finish Max paint sprayer is an easy-to-use electric paint sprayer that applies a smooth finish without brush marks. It's the best paint sprayer option for painting furniture, cabinets, trim, and more. You can adjust the air cap to spray horizontal, vertical, and round. You can also adjust the material flow control knob to quickly increase or decrease the material output. Spray a variety of materials such as thin chalk-type paint, milk paint, latex paints, enamels, primers, clear sealer, polyurethane, stain and varnish. It also comes with a viscosity cup to easily measure paint thickness. The HomeRight Finish Max paint sprayer uses a 2mm precision brass spray tip and nozzle, which provides superior performance over plastic counterparts. The Finish Max is our lightest sprayer and fits comfortably in the user's hand, reducing fatigue and increasing maneuverability around projects. With 400 watts of power, the Finish Max sets a benchmark for powerful HVLP sprayers. The Finish Max provides a precise spray pattern, creating a fine, factory-like finish. For details, let's watch more. Our second best HVLP spray gun is Wagner spraytech HVLP paint sprayer. If you're looking for a precise and easy HVLP sprayer to use on your cabinet project and you have a little extra room in the budget, this is your spray gun. The Wagner spraytech Control Spray Max, because this HVLP spray gun is so versatile. It tackles indoor and outdoor projects with ease and it gives you so much control over your different spray patterns. It has a 2-stage turbine that makes it easy to use with different types of paint, no matter how thick. The Control Spray Max paint sprayer uses high volume, low pressure technology to atomize materials into fine particles and provide a smooth finish on door trim, decks, furniture, more. Powerful 2-stage turbine makes it easy to paint walls and surfaces with thin latex paints and thinner materials like stains and poly. Customize your paint flow by using the pressure control dial and material flow adjuster to receive the perfect finish every time. Turn the air cap to spray round, horizontal, or vertical. Third pick in our list is Fuji Spray 2203G HVLP spray system. If you are looking for a high-quality sprayer that holds its own on the job site or for a home renovation, the Fuji Spray 2203G Semi-Pro 2 Gravity HVLP spray system could be just the ticket. This option is constructed with an HVLP gun and turbine case. The gun itself is made with an ergonomic handle to limit hand fatigue. Plus, there is a handy gun holder attached to the turbine case for easy storing. This 1,400 watt 2-stage motor is one of the most powerful options on the market, making this top pick reliable and long-lasting. The adjustable fan controls the direction and spray pattern as you work, ranging from a small to large circular spray pattern, while the air control valve reduces the risk of overspray. It also comes with a 25-foot hose and carrying handle, making it easy to move from room to room as you paint. However, some may find this model tricky to move around due to its 25-pound construction. The Fuji Spray Semi-Pro 2 model is ideal for spraying furniture pieces, cabinets, walls, ceilings, doors, fences, shutters, etc. The Semi-Pro systems include the Fuji M model spray gun, which has professional features such as non-bleed and a dedicated fan control to adjust pattern size from small circular to wide. Number 4 on our side is Graco Magnum X5 airless paint sprayer. Airless paint sprayers are commonly used for projects with large, flat surfaces. They allow for the quick application of thin and thick coatings, such as latex stain. The Graco Magnum X5 is a capable model that has become a go-to sprayer for professionals and DIYers alike for medium to large projects. It comes with a 25-foot hose, but you can use up to a 75-foot hose if you prefer. There is no need to thin the paint before drawing from a 1-gallon or 5-gallon paint can. Furthermore, pressure and flow can be easily controlled. The ability of this airless paint sprayer to smoothly apply even unthinned paint distinguishes it. While it does produce some overspray, as are all airless sprayers, it is one of the quickest ways to paint large surfaces such as walls, siding, and fences. The Graco Project Series sprayers make it easy for avid DIY homeowners and handymen to power through small to mid-size jobs with speed and finesse. DIY homeowners and handymen get cost-efficient, high-speed performance with the Magnum X5. These sprayers are ideal for painting all types of indoor projects, or tackle outdoor projects like decks, siding, fences or small homes. Includes SG2 metal spray gun, RAC4 515 switch tip, 25 feet Duraflex paint hose, pump armor storage fluid, power flush adapter, quick startup guide and operation manual. Last in our best HVLP spray gun list is NeuMaster HVLP paint sprayer. The NeuMaster HVLP spray gun combines the performance benefits of a turbine with the low cost typically associated with compact electrical guns. A 600-watt motor provides good performance and dependability, and 2 interchangeable nozzles allow for a wider range of material usage than is typically found on low-cost spray guns. The spray patterns are horizontal, vertical, and round. While air pressure cannot be changed, flow control can. The paint cup holds 30.5 ounces, or slightly less than a quart. The 6 feet of hose may appear to be too short at first, but the compact turbine can be equipped with a shoulder strap for greater mobility. The unique interlocking head design facilitates cleaning. The NeuMaster HVLP spray gun is an excellent choice for painting and staining furniture, doors, and other medium-sized projects, but it is not suitable for fine detail work.